Tracey here. Today we're opening day number 8.
Ooh, what is day number 8? It's kind of small and squishy. What do you think it is?
Wait, I think it's maybe, I think it's some of those rhinestones or those pearls.
Oh, maybe.
I think it's rhinestones or pearls.
Let's open it and see what's inside. See if pearl's right. Is it rhinestones and pearl?
Rhinestones or pearls. Like those sticky on ones.
Let's have a look.
It is!
Ah, Pearl was right. It is rhinestones. Beautiful silver rhinestones. They are awesome. We always like to put bling on our projects, don't we? Mum does a special when I card make. I love my bling. Thanks for watching, guys. Day number 8. So tomorrow, day number 9, the 9th, is actually someone's birthday. Whose birthday is on the 9th of December?
Me.
Pearl's birthday tomorrow. So we will see what's in day number 9, Pearl's birthday day. Come back tomorrow to find out. See ya.
Bye.